today I have restarted my game of this little thing. I'm not going to make them have children yet. My other thing had 4 children on it, and they were starving, and everything was not working out, so I couldn't keep it.
You have to set up the table. Well, he